Hello, and in this video, we will talking about rounding and ordering decimals. Okay, so this number is the ones place. This is the decimal. This is the tenths place. This is and remember, the tenths place is not the same as the tens place. Okay, and this is the hundredths place, this is the thousandths place, and this is the 10,000ths place. So this is your number. So the rule of rounding is that 5 and up you round up, 4 and down you round down. So let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you to round to the nearest whole number. What number would that be? It would be this one. The whole number is to the, it's a whole number if it's to the left of the decimal point, it's a decimal number if it's to the right of the decimal point. So what you would do is, since this is the number we're rounding to, you round the number that's exactly to the left of it. So in this case, we would round 1. 1 is below 4, so you would round down, and the nearest whole number would be 5. Now, let's do a different problem. What would we get if we rounded to the nearest thousandths? What number would we round? Well, we would round to the one exactly left, and that is 5. 5 is in between, so you just round up, as it says on this chart here. So what you would do is you would change this to a 0. You would change this to a 1, what I want. Now, the new number, after rounding to the nearest thousandths, is 5 and 101 thousandths. Okay, that's rounding decimals. And we're back. In this unit, we will talk about ordering decimals. Last time we talked about rounding decimals. Woohoo! Hey, really, what is up? Hey, sorry for the technical issues. But, okay, so this is how you order decimals. I'll give you 5 decimals. 5.105. X and 125,000. 4 and 700. 4 and 235 thousand and 4 and 2/10. Okay, so how do you if I ask you how to sort them from least to greatest, this is probably what you would do. You would take the 4 first, but this is wrong. What you do to own a decimal, first you have to make sure that every single one is at the same place. So this one is at the thousandth place. This one is at the hundredth. We must add a 0 to make it at the thousandth. It's at the hundredth, so you have to add a 0 to make it to the thousandth. One is at the tenth, you add 3 zeros to make it to the thousandth. So, now it's clear to see which one is the winner. Maybe because this one has 35 more, 350 more thousandths than this one, so it's obviously bigger. This one has one whole number more, so it would be bigger than 4. This one is one whole number more, so it would be bigger than 4. Okay, this is correct. And sometimes you get into really tricky ones, like what is the difference between 8.1 and 1.8? You might say, well, obviously, after you've seen this lesson, 8 is bigger than 1, so 8 would be greater. But, they could really confuse you and go like 1.0125 or 1.20001. You're like, after seeing this video, obviously 2001 is bigger than 125. Sometimes, look out for careless errors. They might show like 1.125 and then 1.215. They look the same, but you have to go through every single one. See, so the 10th place is bigger. It has one more tenth than this one. So this one is bigger. And you have to go through every decimal point, even if it's something like 1.1256827. Then another one is 1256869. So since this has one more digit than you have to add this. So these are the same. 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 But then there's a 7 and the 6. So the 7 is bigger than the 6. And this number is bigger. Okay. Okay. So here is a game in which it gives you a decimal number. And you have to, and it tells you what to do. So it says, round to the nearest hundredth. So, the hundredth is right here. So, you round this number. So, 5. So, 5 is greater. You round up with the 5. So, you round up. So then, you add 1 to 9. But you can't have 10 in one spot, so you add the 1 to the 4. And you make these all zeros. So now the number is 2186.5. And sometimes it does that, but you don't need the 0 on the end. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so here's the new problem. So it says round to the nearest 1,000. And it says 1,000. So not the thousandths place. It's not thousandths. It's 1,000. Don't be confused. So you take the number to the left of it, which is 3. And with 3 you round down. So it would change the 3 to a 0. And now all the numbers after it to 0. So now the number is 4,000. So, and yeah. So, let's do one more problem, then we can switch to ordering. Okay, so this problem, it is 2,480.9170. This is now to the nearest 1,000. So this is the thousandths place. This is the thousand place. So you round to the number to the left of it, which is 4. So with 4 you round down. So now the number, so you would make 4 and all the numbers after it are 0. Now the number is 2,000. And right. Okay. Now time for ordering. Okay, decimal switch. So you have to rearrange these items until they're in places from least to greatest. Which is bigger, 0.9 or 0.09? 0.09. So we switch. Which is bigger, 0.9 or 0.1, 0.18? So, if you are, since we're dealing with 2 digits, you add a 0 to the 9, and it becomes 0.90. 90 is bigger than 18, so we switch. And 90 is bigger than 81, so we switch. And 90 is bigger than 22, we switch. But we're not done yet. 22 is not bigger than 81. So you must switch them. So now, is it right? I think it is. 900, 1800, 2200, 8100, 9000, all 9/10. So, correct. Yay. Well, thank you for listening to my video. Bye.